Travel is one of those very few things that when you spend more, you become richer. So, embrace travel, make it a priority to see how to reach places, even with the COVID situation upon us. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Travel with Enoch and Jackie. Last week on Travel with Enoch and Jackie, we took you on a room tour at Crater Safari Lodge. We took a boat ride on Crater Lake Nyinabulitwa, and we had a 3-course dinner at Crater Safari Lodge. This week, we take you on a room tour at Kalia Courts Hotel in Fort Portal. We dine at Kalanoga Resort, and we had a conversation about road safety with Africa Runners. Thank you for watching Magic One TV, and thank you for nominating us in the Buzz Teens Awards. Don't forget to vote. Travel with Enoch and Jackie runs Wednesdays at 8:30 and repeats Sundays at 5:30. You can also catch the show on our YouTube channel, Enoch and Jackie, and while there, please don't forget to subscribe or give us a thumbs up. My name is Enoch Nsubuga, and the fun starts right now.
Kalia Courts Hotel is one of Fort Portal's most preferred hotel destinations according to online reviews. Located in Fort Portal town, overlooking the Toro Kingdom Palace, the hotel is situated within the heart of Uganda's tourist attraction, Toro Kingdom, and bordered by the breathtaking mountains of the moon, the Rwenzori Mountain, the Crater Lakes, and some of the rarest tourist attractions in the world, like stalactites and stalagmites. Amabere Ganyinamwiru. Now, let me take you on a room tour.
The center of any room is the bed. So the moment you get into this room, you see that woven headboard. So it's hand woven. That's the kind of headboard you have over there. Imagine if you take away that headboard and you leave everything in here, the room will have no...
It will be just like any
other room. When you look at the concert table here, that concert table is also a hand woven, but it's totally different weave. Here they use Saiso, and the concert table does match these two chairs that Naki and I are seated on. And then when you look at the bedside tables, they are contemporary. You can't have one theme, it overpowers the room. But the other beauty about this room, it's really very well thought of. The only thing that should match in a bedroom is the bedside tables. And they were very clever. Instead of 2 bedside tables, they maximized space by bringing a dresser and a bedside table. This dresser comes with a mirror. It has an extra seat. You have extra storage in there when you pull. And also there, you can use your bedside table for whatever it is that you want. So they look exactly the same. And the other thing I love is the bed. Absolutely, it's white. If you want to make your home feel like a hotel room, you can give it plain colors like these white, plain creams. And this touch of blue is also nice.
So Jackie, what else do you love about the room?
What else do I love?
I think I love the light up here.
Yes, the light is really nice. It's calm, it's white. And that's what bedroom lighting should be. It should be calm. It's a place for relaxing. I love these curtains. The moment I walked in, I was like, this is class. This feels luxurious. There's 3 different fabrics on one curtain. And even on the detailing and the hemming and the shears are cream. And their curtain holders do match them. They're really nice. There's just 2. I always tell you, whatever you do on one side, do on the other. The power isn't always 2. What you do on one side, you do on the other. Now, these are called French doors. The reason they're called French doors is the idea is from France. If you remember in your history, in the days of Renaissance, when the world was changing to modernizing, the French stopped having plain wooden doors and they added glass to their doors and windows. And then the reason they're also French is they open outward. And whenever you see a French door, French style, there's class. It's all glass. It brings in enough light. It's not even a style that's about to die anytime soon.
How about that table over there?
So that's another thing that adds character to this room. To match the headboard that is very African and the concert table, the power is in 2s and 3s. We have a set of 2 African chairs and an African console. That's one set. Let's call it one set. Our headboard is an African set. And the third thing that's African to make it a 3 complete design is that stool. It's just an accent table in here or an accent stool, whatever you want to call it. You can sit on it, you can do whatever you want on it, but it just adds to the balance.
How about the bathroom? Do you love the bathroom?
Yes, I love the bathroom. I love the plain cream shower curtain. Simple, not a lot of flowers or anything. It's just plain. And I love the the basket. It's a storage basket. You just dump in everything you wanted, and it leaves the room looking neat and everything.
And the design.
And the mirror, yes, the mirror is also really cute. So those are the little things that make a space feel luxurious, beautiful, and refreshing.
And lastly, this corridor.
Oh, the
mirror.
entryway. The entryway, yes. When you walk in straight to a closet and the mirror. And I love that you saw the mirror. It's really nicely framed. The wood around it, the wooden frame around it matches the windows, the doors, and everything around the space.
All right. Thank you for watching. That is it about the room tour. Thanks, Jackie. What do you think? Visit our Facebook page, Enoch and Jackie, and share your feedback. We would love to hear from you. Still to come, our travel experience of the week, our travel tip, the people we meet, and our top place to eat this week.
To ensure that our journey was safe and not subjected to unacceptable risks, we partnered with Africa Runners Company, a transport provider for over 15 years. When going on a safari, your safety should always be first priority. In our feature today, we share with you some of the things Africa Runners did to make our safari a safer journey. Now, irrespective of whether you are the driver or passenger, the journey of a safari should be a memorable, life-changing experience. Taking on some of the rugged roads in search of incredible wildlife and Uganda's naturally beautiful landscapes. We had a conversation with Shafiq, a trip guide and transporter from Africa Runners Company, about road safety, the terrain, and what it takes to have a memorable experience on the road.
So when you're going on a safari, the first priority should always be your safety on a trip. And to ensure that this trip, our journey to Fort Portal, was memorable, peaceful, comfortable, without any risks, we partnered with Africa Runners Company Limited. So today you're going to meet Shafiq, a very class act transporter, very well-mannered gentleman that has made this trip so far very, very comfortable and peaceful. But he's going to exactly, after introducing himself, he's going to tell us exactly what he did to make this trip so peaceful. That's something that you and yours could also borrow from. Hi, Shafiq.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Welcome to, Travel with Enoch and Jackie.
Thank you so much. My name is Commander Shafiq. Nice to be part of you and to be your driver guide as well from Kampala to our destination this side of Fort Portal.
So Shafiq, what I noticed is that the roads, we've gone to all these different places on this safari, and the roads are rugged. The terrain is not smooth. And I realized that while other cars were struggling and sliding, you went through smoothly. So tell us what happened. What did you do different?
Most of the tourist places we go to, they are off the main roads or off the towns. Now, at least you have to be with a 4WD vehicle. That is a four-wheel drive car, which will help you at least maneuver very well into those roads.
So what exactly makes this particular ride? Why is it the one you chose for this particular safari?
This car specifically is made for tourists. Within my ride, I have charging points. I have a small fridge where at least we put different drinks like the water you've been taking, and also the pop-up roof. We do open it when you're taking some photos.
Pictures, we're able to see the view.
Oh yes.
Okay. Irrespective of whether you're a driver or passenger, a lot of people watching this show go on self-drive safaris, may not have the luxury of having somebody take you with the experience you have. What are some of those things I need to take along in my car when I'm taking a safari out of town?
The basics will at least everyone would need to be with Like in this rainy season, you need to be with, there are some small hose. We need to be with a towing rope.
Okay.
Yeah. We need to be with a small toolbox,
Okay.
at least composed of these basic spanners you may need, just in case. And apart from that, you also need to be with a gumboots, plus the overall and a raincoat at least.
We need to have gumboots. So the next time you see us on a safari, Enoch and I should have some designer gumboots ready to rock the safari. Thank you so much, Shafiq.
Thank you too.
Yeah, you have really made this trip awesome, and it was really another learning experience. We learned something new on every trip. Albert, you two have learned always to carry a raincoat. He said a toolbox. He said gumboots and overalls. We're going to get those for ourselves.
Get plenty of sleep before you drive. Bring health snacks rich in vitamins like snacks, nuts, and dairy products. And plan your rest stops. Hello and welcome to our weekly feature, The People We Meet. Today we are here at Kalanoga Resort, and right here we're seated with someone who is about to introduce herself to you. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Kessia. I'm the general manager of Kalanoga Resort.
Okay. Talking about Kalanoga, why Kalanoga for a restaurant and bar? What does it mean?
It's derived from both of the owners' names, actually. They've taken a bit of the wife and the husband and merged them together to get Kalanoga.
Okay. This looks like a lovely place. It's actually a lovely place. How long
Thank
has
you.
it been around?
So it opened in December of 2019.
2019.
Yes, we had
okay.
a big grand opening for a comedy store, actually. It was a big success. There was BB Cool and a few other artists.
Okay.
Yeah, and then of course COVID
as
affected everyone, so we shut down temporarily and now we're back up and running.
Okay. So talking about the lockdown, how has that affected you as a business and you as a person?
I mean, of course, lockdowns affected everyone in hospitality in a challenging way. You know, it stopped business for the safety of the general public. But it's good that we're such a big venue. We're 15 acres, so we've been able to open safely and follow social distancing and government procedures, and I think that's definitely to our advantage.
Interesting. So what makes this place unique? What would you say? What makes it unique?
What would I say? It's beautiful. We're on a little peninsula here, so if you're looking around, we don't really have anything similar moving on this coast here. It's a peninsula. It's beautiful. It's surrounded by water. You have water just left, right, in front.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's beautiful. High ceilings, lovely architecture. Live barbecues over the weekend, boat rides. Sometimes we have live music, DJs. We have a Christmas market happening this Saturday. Our Christmas program is a full family buffet. We have a New Year's Eve program with a Jamaican barbecue, face painting, DJs. It's going to be a good festive season here.
Interesting. Thank you for watching. That was our guest of the week, and see you next time.
Thank you.
Our top place to eat this week is Kalanoga Resort. The resort is a 15-acre incredible waterfront located on the shores of Lake Victoria, 10 kilometers south of Kampala Central Business District. It is a 15-minute drive from Munyonyo Commonwealth Resort off Entebbe Express Highway towards Kajansi. Kalanoga offers guest-seeking nature, peace, and privacy a perfect escape. The resort is known for its beautiful scenery, incredible natural surroundings, and a breathtaking view, so you can always feel the serenity of the resort. Now, we eat with the resort's head chef.
Our top place to eat this week is Kalanoga. Chef is going to introduce himself and just show us how to eat this nice food. I can't wait to dig in. Hi, Jay.
Hi,
Good to see you.
good to see you too.
So, tell us your name.
Yes, my name, I'm Chef Jude,
Uh-huh.
the head chef Kalanoga Resort. We do special dishes in Kalanoga. As well, you can see what we have at the moment in front of us.
Okay.
Introducing the dishes from beginning from your side.
This is what I'll start
This is
from.
the most delicious, the pork chops,
Ah.
oven roasted and
Okay.
done in a barbecue sauce.
I like
Very
how
soft.
tender it is.
Very soft, tender and tasty.
Guys,
Really
I'm an
good.
eater of this animal, and this is lovely.
Yes, this is what we call the special fish of the leg, fresh from the leg. It's
Yeah.
now it's the fresh tilapia. We fry it and we
Oh, you
put
fast
it
deep fry it.
deep fry it. Then we put in our special sauce, the Kalanoga sauce. That's why we call it Kalanoga
What's in that
special.
sauce?
The sauce is so special.
I'm not a fan of
Which we
ugali,
have-
but I've ended up eating it
We have
because
created it
of the
from
taste.
the Kalanoga, whereby it has vegetables, the tomato sauce gravy with the mushroom and the vegetables as well, but with more of the Kalanoga secrets inside it. Normally we serve, most people like taking it with ugali. It is so nice and delicious.
So my people who cross the Nile, Wusimaningen, this is the thing. You're gonna test this. This is what's up.
Coming to this,
This looks like my
this
favorite.
is
Like I want to put some
This is
lemon
a real
here.
sign of resort where we are at the shore of Lake Victoria.
Proper sign of victory.
This is our fried tilapia.
All right, Naki, help me the cutlery that was here originally. Thank you. Thank you.
This is the
You.
fish from the Lake Victoria,
It looks nice. It's
Marinate.
really big.
marinated, and the size itself. You will never get it in another resource at a very affordable price and served with either chips.
But it tastes expensive.
No, we're not expensive.
When I taste it, I'm thinking this is an arm and a leg. This taste is.
The taste of the fish itself is what would normally bring you back to us. We do what is extraordinarily good. That's what we normally do.
Okay. So
Now,
this is of course
This is our
mukwano gw'abangi kuku,
oven roasted grilled chicken.
oven roasted grilled.
Yes, we do it
chicken.
from the firewood oven. After the firewood oven, then we toast it with a glaze of barbecue sauce. Just a glaze of barbecue sauce, serve with a garden salad with either chips or any other, whatever you like it to be with. And you feel the taste and see how the tender it is and perfectly good. This is what we normally do in Kalanoga, and we normally do from Monday to Monday. We are open and anytime. Yes.
Wow, Chef Jude, he's made all this nice food. I wish I would explain the taste for you too, but you could definitely see. I'm quite picky with my food, but everything here, if I could eat on my own, I definitely would. It's amazing. This is Kalanoga. This is our top place to eat this week. You need to be here yourself. Thanks for watching.
Beautiful place and delightful food. What do you think? We would like to have your feedback on this. Visit our Facebook page, Enoch and Jackie, and join the conversation. Thanks for watching, and special thanks to Kalia Courts Hotel, Kalanoga Resort, Cinecap Media, our publication house, and the Val Guide, our publishing department. For more travel content, please visit our travel website, www.valguide.co.za, and get social with us on Facebook and Instagram as Enoch and Jackie. Cheers, and see you next time on the same channel.